So, this is one of the first meetings for the Choppdsticks in a year. Might need help organizing it a bit. So yeah, how's it going for the first year?
Pretty okay, but
That's Arjen, by the way.
it's a lot. There showed a lot more people up than we expected, and space.
So basically, he's gonna play some car Tetris, so that's gonna be fun.
Already starting over there.
It's already starting over there. Some
And
cars.
that path has to stay clean for the sound off. Not gonna happen.
Not gonna happen. So yeah, we're gonna play some car Tetris and see how it goes. Peace out.